After the talk session where All Progressive Congress APC gubernatorial candidate Senator Monday Okpebholo and Honorable Dennis Idahosa do with Edo youths on July 30, 2024, Edo APC don't hold another summit for women from the 3 senatorial districts Edo South, Edo Central and Edo North. This one na to make the women fit do one-on-one talk with the party's candidate, know their plans if they win as governor and deputy governor of the state. Even though say Senator Monday Okpebholo and Honorable Dennis Idahosa no dey there, them they fully represented as the APC state woman leader Patricia Okpebholo, Deputy State Women Leader Haija Memunat Momodu, Director General Women Campaign Council Etowa Ogbede, Director General of the Edo APC Campaign Council Matthew Rohide, and other party leaders come talk to the women on their behalf.
Monday Okpebholo, na man of action, man of woman, man wey know him wife, when the woman dey hungry, wey know when his wife dey hungry, wey know how to give the woman visiting, the man when he care for women, when they open the door, even out of kitchen for women, na him be Monday Okpebholo. Before he even became a senator, he has been assisting his people in Edo Central. In fact, he started when he became a businessman because of the loss of his own sister. And he said that he will alleviate the suffering of the Isha people. That anywhere there is no power, irrespective of your village, whether it's from that local government or not, that he will seek a power in order to bring a better life for women, particularly women and our children. So, as I'm saying, your son, Okpebholo, is here because of women. He's here to make life better for women. If a man who has not even won, he's saying that he will give you 45%. That will tell you there is nothing that he cannot do. So what we need to do, we are all stakeholders. That's why we are here. You are stakeholders, me I'm a stakeholder. So we must work together in unity, in our various local governments, in our wards, in our units, to be able to reach all the electorate, so that we come out and mass and know the importance of the son that has come. This is not an imported governor. He's not an imported aspirant. He's not a man that came from another state that wants to come and rule your state. He's a man who has been with us. He's a true son of the soil. A man that knows where the Jews are eating you. A man that knows that when you give him opportunity to serve you, that he gives you the best because he knows that he will come back tomorrow. And people used to tell us when we were younger that when a man passes a road and he destroys it, he cannot pass through the same road the second time. So that is why those who have opportunity to govern, you must give us your best. And your son, Monday Okpebholo, is willing and ready to give the best out of Edo State, to transform men, to transform women, to transform youth, to transform children, to create a nurturing environment. To create a nurturing environment for our children to learn. Not this situation where we see that children go to school and they sit on the floor. Do you know the situation has changed from what Oshomole left to us? Oshomole introduced red roof to Edo State. And now go to the schools and see our children, your children, they are sitting on the floor, under the rain, under the sun. It is a shame. This man means well for us. Please don't allow this opportunity to elude us. So I want to let you know, if you don't know how to campaign about Monday Okpebholo, tell him about the things he did when he was not even a senator. A man who brought out his hard-earned income, created roads, created security gadgets and all that, vehicles to secure his area, and even went as far as paying fees for people who are sick in the hospitals and so on and so forth. Imagine last time he was coming from Irwa. He saw at Ekpomak University Junction, people were gathered. And he asked them what is happening. They said a boy is sick at the point of death and he needed money for operation. He stopped and dished out 7 million naira. He's not yet a governor because he cares for his people and he feels the pain of his people. That's why he's doing this. Women, are you going to let this man down? No. Are you going to abandon him? No. Are you going to allow your conscience to be bought? No. This is the time we have to draw one rope to ensure that we are able to march into Okpebholo Avenue.
Women, oh yeah. Oh yeah. You train a woman. You train a nation. No woman. No nation. You neglect a woman. Our DG Women Campaign Council has spoken to us and she has said everything. But one thing that gladdens my heart, our incoming governor promised that women will be part of decision making. represent ourselves because we know where the shoe pinches. So if we are on the decision-making table, we will be able to tackle the issues of women. And I tell you, when this is done, we will have a new Edo of our choice, a new Edo that we look forward to, a new Edo that a woman will not be pushed aside anymore, a new Edo that you will not be told you didn't go to school after working, a new Edo that will be part and parcel of development in this state. They are not going to vote for us again. Now we go to vote for people. Thank you.
The reason why this arrangement put up is saying, women, you are very critical people. You are very visible. You have consumed over half of the number of people when they vote for Nigeria. Any party where it means business, any government where you dey serious, when you look after people, no say it's supposed to talk to women because we will be a major part of our country, major part of our state, major part of our local government. So we needed to talk to una so that we will know say this government when we want for APC, when Senator Okpebholo and then there is Idahosa, one put for us will be government when go get face, government when get human feeling, government when go look after women, government when go look after families, government will create jobs for our children. That's why we say make una come. If anything dey una mind, una talk, una ask, make e answer una. So that if you now go and go dey fight, you know what you dey fight for. If you want to talk to other people, make them support am. You go know the reason why they tell other people to support am. As e be now, if you ask you now, why una wan make we people vote for Okpebholo? Many of una officers ahead true. Why I wan vote for am? Why is this Okpebholo better pass any other candidate? Many of una don't know that will call una come. Our candidate today, our candidate for Okpebholo is a serving senator. Una wey come from Edo Central now na vote for am. No other candidate will be serving senator. People trust am. Based on the way they don't do before, that they vote for am. And when they don't show for the small time, they don't convince us say if we get bigger responsibility, we go do am. We get higher position, we do more. When other people they talk, our candidate, none of the candidates will never get position for Nigeria. Either the one people vote for you or the one wey God give you. You don't be bank chairman. You don't be one big man for one position or the other. Just like Okpebholo wey don't be businessman for himself. What he don't do? What he don't do for people? If God bless you, you be everything big. You don't feel help people. If we give you position of governor or president, you can't help people. And based on that, when Okpebholo, and they not say, he look like village man. They not born am for Lagos. Like village for Islam and they born am. He don't go to school for Lagos. Not even for Benin, when the capital. For village, now he start in life. He see poverty. When they say me and you say life, when we get better possibility. But it's what don't do for people. Many of us when they here today, when you support only, like the we see, this man will get good heart. You know they pretend. As he did in the spot, God don't give, you don't show up. Why would they put in a security outfit for Eastern land? Atanaba, as you call it, isn't it? Yeah. They ask people when they bring money for Eastern land. Thank God the people when they contest election today for Eastern land. Eastern people call them, help us. Make we go to that record. but Okpebholo will not be senator that time, then make the highest contribution. 5 years now process I gave him to take fighting security for his life. The thing when you think a man will do today or do tomorrow, that the thing when you don't do yesterday, and you think no. Nobody can deceive anybody again. If God made you chairman of bank, how many people you employ? How many of those banks you put for SNL? So you want to be governor first? Who be Mumu? Our candidate cannot be compared to any of them. When it comes to service to mankind and service to God. Then you get back home, tell them we are supporting because this man get heart of God. Any of us when they did this party, if we see how Monday they come up as our candidate, we will know that God is really great. And all of you too, you are not in this business for 1 naira or 2 naira. Let labor for this ticket on Monday for the APC to win this election. And I tell all of you, the days of Okpebholo is over. All of you that will work, you will benefit from it. The same voice that we are using to beg you, the same voice that I will call the governor, we say Monday, you will look after these people. You will look after the people. Because this platform is not only you that will use it. We are going to use it for other people. Our children and everybody. This is the way our politics, we want to write it, we want to reroute it, so that people can benefit from it.
State women leader Patricia Beth Okpebholo, local government women leaders and some supporters come chook mouth on why they believe Senator Monday fit do the job well and how them ready for the election, and come also advise women for the state to choose wisely.
What happened here today is just a message where we tell the women to take back to the markets, to take back to the streets, so that they will tell people why we should vote for Monday Okpebholo, aka Akpakomiza, and Dennis Idahosa. Number one, Monday Okpebholo is the Senate right now. We voted for him to go to Senate. Now things when he do, now make us first vote for him. Now the first time when he come out to contest for election, and he won. Why? Because of the things when he don't do before. Before now, as a private man, when you no get government money, you no get government work, he do road. One time there when we no fit go market, we not even fit comot. If you dey go early morning mass, they go kidnap you. If you go farm, they go beat our women, they go rape our women. The men, they go kidnap them, they go kill some. They go carry man and woman. They go begin molest the woman in front of the husband. When we cry out to Monday Okpebholo, he come to rescue us. He gave us 5 Sienna, and he begin to pay vigilante that they go enter bush, begin drive these kidnappers. He do that, and when we go to primary school session, he do schools for us. He carry buses, give students, Ekpoma students, when they take they go school. These buses, they know they pay anything, free of charge. Los Angeles buses, about 3. They will go from Ubiaja to Ekpoma, pick students, pick women, and drop them free of charge. Go to hospital. You get some people who know if you pay hospital bill. Monday Okpebholo will pay for them and discharge them. Monday Okpebholo, for their community, now he do roads for them. For years, when I did primary school, now we fit take motor go that in community. But when he begin make small money, he can't do road so that his own people can come out to sell their produce in the public market. If not, it's like they were doing trade by barter. You give me corn, I give you garri, because they couldn't come out. There was no road. But he come to rescue them. As we speak, the borehole where he don't seek for the whole eastern land is more than 30. Every community can boast of 5 boreholes. Every community. Like my own town, he don't give us more than 7 boreholes. Before he became a senator, he give us 4. After he don't do senator just yesterday here, he don't give us 3. So there is no way Okpebholo will be as Sadebe Avenue. Then this Edo State will remain the same. It's just not possible. Now man, when he grew up for village, he's a homeboy. He go farm, he go stream, go fetch water. So he know where he dey pay poor man. Not be waiting then go destroy for them. Not be somebody where then go interpret for them. Say, tell them say, I dey go. Then that one go talk for Isha. Say, he say he dey go. No, na homeboy. Somebody where he grew up, they born am for village, go primary school for village, go secondary school for village. He go stream, go fetch water, he go farm, go pick firewood to cook. So now somebody when you know wetin dey pain us, so he go rescue us from this government where he no sabi anything, where we no get road. From here to Ishana takes you about 4 hours. It used to be 45 minutes. 4 hours we are on the road. God help you if you can get there by 4 hours. So these are the things when we look, when we know say Okpebholo, come September 21st, if they go to the Avenue.
For this election, you can see say our ward women leaders already surround me. They don ready gidigba. Say this game wey we dey so, not be gentleman but na kule now we go play am. Say we wan take the mantle of leadership for Edo State. We won't go back to that Sadebe Avenue where we first come out. And by the potential grace of all these women leaders, you see what 12 women leader here, you see what 11 women leader here, and you see my able woman leader. See my big vice chairman where they will just elect finish so for local governments. Now all of us stand here today and we don't ready. Women, we not don't ready say we go take the mantle of children. Which local government they talk so? And we ready say we go win this election.
We don't win now.
We not don't prepare.
We don't prepare.
We don't win now.
We don't win now.
Already is a goal.
It's a goal.
Today na interactive section with the candidates. Senator Okpebholo with the good women of Edo State, not APC women, no, other women wey show interest say na Akpakomiza, Senator Okpebholo, na they won't vote for. Now they come today so that we go follow and discuss and say this na wetin we see when we want make you do for us. Now it happen today. Oh, over prepare the warriors. Over preparedness the warriors. Akpakomiza, Senator Okpebholo don't over prepare. This na man wey be say before he becomes senator. He don't give the people when he say thief they worry them, headsmen they worry them. He give them security motto. Buy the things wey go make them feel combat headsmen, armed robber, car theft and all that. And before this time, he see say people they suffer that time when they say no transportation. He carry long motor, bus. All those big one, what Shomole begin before for Benin City, he carry and put them for a place. Make it people they use them. Road were not good, they use the own money. Man, if you use the own money, take do things. Now when government they tell and say, see money used for the people. Because politics and governance, now for the people, the money they come now for the people. So he won't use that. If man feel use the own money, do better thing. So not say when they can't give them money, say use them for people, he go use them bracket for Edo people. Life go they sweet us. Now I make all of us come today say we want support. And I make I call them modernize. The Yahoo way full everywhere. The man they can't set everything for us. So that we go they waka everywhere cool. Our body go they cool as we they move.
Today now where we come here, so we ready. Now our candidate will come do town hall meeting with. And why you want to do town hall meeting with candidate? We want to hear from them. We want to talk to them. so that we go know how we go carry the message go grassroots, so that we go know wetin we go tell our people. As we dey so we ready. As we dey so na deliver one deliverer. It don't even enter Osadebe as far as we are concerned. As we dey so we know say there is nothing that is going to stop him. Our celebration is done, ready, and we are good to go. To start with, we want to call everybody to join us for this battle, because na battle, the journey is straight, but it gets some corner where we go fit enter. Even you Western, so I don't know whether you get card. If you don't get card, now if you say I go draw your ear, you need to put your own hand for the matter. Not to they say how you two day. All of us need to ready. All of us need to put hands together and make it happen. As the secretary of the women committee, I am ready to galvanize all the women, and they are ready to go with us. It's a done deal.
Why I dey support distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo to become the next governor of Edo State 2024. That is this very year. Now say na good man. Now say na in God choose. When you see person when God choose, it dey easy to know. Everything go soft. Everything go just a suburb for him. He's a man of grace. The first time I hear of him, that time I never even be senator. Not a year of him. I can't hear say that they share Okada, that they share Keke. One woman, they not give her. They say that the woman begin cry. Now the notice get to him. It was not a senator then. Now they say the guy, that's Monday now. Come buy Toyota Corolla for the woman. Now I say, my God, this guy man, I pray one day make it say he won't come save the people. They say value you. But the people value all the women. He value all the women because now picking when mama train well. You know, see, you know they shout. Let's talk more action. Not be by grammar. Because not be grammar we want chop. If you say I should go phonetics right now, I can do that. But this is not grammar. You say make I talk for pidgin. Monday not be grammar person. Now action. He go do good school like Oshomole. He go do good road like Oshomole. That man now person want help our women, help our youth, help everybody because he don't suffer. We don't want a jebota. We don't want big men children. We want that poor man people be like me and you. When God remember I said we need to eat. Okpebholo train he said through school. So he know what it be. Now they can empower those people. Yes, they say some people don't get money for school. So he go give us good school, good education. Okpebholo, if papa and mama not the seafood chop, in the hustle that year, say feed the papa and mama. So he know say our papa and mama they go chop. So they go feed. So we have food security. Okpebholo say no say the road to inside not good. Even before he became senator, he done the drum, scholarship, everything go yafu, everything go suburbo, everything go yapata, full everywhere. Edo will rise again. Edo must rise again. Vote APC, vote the broom.
We are very prepared. Now got women dey here today. You see say we know they carry last. They go not they carry last. Every woman when stand here, he get 100 women when go carry come out for Akpakomiza. So this time we are taking it by force. We don't too suffer. No road, no light. Hospital will not they see go. So we want somebody when be say he go give us all these things. We go get good market. Even when president talk am, we want man when go they obey. Because what be our problem for Edo State today now be say when they give order, they go do their own for here. If you waka go order say me I dey waka be market woman. When I waka, I go see say rice don't come down, road good, everything they good, people they go farm. But for Edo State now, we not they go anywhere. We not feel buy rice because waiting the governor went there now. Now what they call a committee, different types of gang. Now he put out union. We don't want union again. We don't want to see union again. We want man when go listen to us women. We want man when go give us food to chop. We want man when go give us good school. Our children know they go school again, my sister. Our children don't know where to read again. Before in those days, they say now book. Now they make rich man and poor man come together. But this is no school for them. So we are out as women. We want a governor that will know that there is future for tomorrow. Okpebholo is that man. He has seen, he has felt it. He don't see and say, yes, suffer there this town. And he go through him. So he go know the right thing to do. Now make us all of us come out. Whether they like it or not, APC go take over. Okpebholo go there. So that is why we come out today. All these people now Edo Women.
The party talk say them go to push their candidates until plenty people sabi their good intentions. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not to take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.